we've arrived, we've been travelling overnight up actually northward from below the circle. We're now above the circle and it's now just after lunch, and we've now come back towards some of the islands here. These are what's known as the fish islands. Apparently each island here is named after a fish, but it's a bit hard to tell exactly what is an island and what's an iceberg, because there's a huge amount of ice out in the sea. Apparently we won't be able to do a landing here because there is a huge amount of ice, but I've signed up for a special photographers group where a bunch of us are going to go out to a couple of the zodiacs, and each one's going to have a professional photographer on board, and we're going to have a photography workshop, so that's going to be pretty amazing. And this is an absolutely awesome place to have it. I mean, just look at the scenery here. And so we're going to be heading up the zodiacs a bit later this afternoon once we've found a place to anchor, and yeah, some of the others have also disembarked. And yeah, what better place to have a photography lesson by some professional photographers. So I'll see you somewhere out there in amongst this ice here, and hopefully I'll learn some really good photography skills. Okay, we're leaving the ship now.
It doesn't matter
what
the
expedition.
Yeah. Where do the chinstrap penguins live? Are they in a smaller area, or do people see them?
Penguins?
The chinstrap.
Maybe. Well, they're mainly in the South Shetlands, and we are scheduled to spend our last day at the Shetlands. It just all depends on the weather. I think looking at the weather, it doesn't look crash hot right now. It could change, but it doesn't look fantastic, so depending. Hopefully. I saw two on my trip to Melbourne.
Side, get down low, let the people behind see, and vice versa. That way everybody gets good shots.
Potentially do more battle hunt. Leopards are kind of given a free pass from the orca.
I love the way they just popped out of the water, like you'd stepped up on a step, you know.
He's like, I told you about this one.
I told you that.
Slow and steady.
Come back from the photography session out in the Zodiac. Very valuable. Our guide was professional photographer Cindy from the United States. Has been to, I think it's 125 countries in the last few years. Just an incredible traveller, and it was just really great to get her, all her advice, all the settings to use and everything, and there's never a time to stop learning, and it was for me it was a very educational session out there, and it was also a fantastic time going through all the ice as you saw in the video. And yeah, we saw quite a few seals and a few penguins, as you probably saw in the video as well, and absolutely fantastic session. So there's a lot of ice out here today, so we weren't able to make a landfall. I think there is a base out here somewhere, but because because the ice is so thick, we just couldn't get through it. Yeah, we did even struggle a little bit for a while. But apart from that, it's been a fantastic day, and I've certainly learnt a lot. So yeah, here's another day over and out.